6-year-old Bangalore-based fintech Razorpay, which was valued at $3 billion in a financing round in April this year, has courted one more high-profile investor, Salesforce Ventures. On Monday, it has received a strategic investment from the venture arm of the American enterprise giant. The investment will help the startup further strengthen its presence in the business banking space. And disclose the size of the investment, but the Sequoia Capital India-backed startup said the deal will make an impactful contribution to the industry and drive adoption and financial growth for undeserved small businesses in the next 12 months. Processes and disburses money online for small businesses and enterprises, essentially everything Stripe does in the US and several other developed markets. But the Indian startup's offering goes much further than that. In recent years, Razorpay has launched a new banking platform to issue corporate credit cards, and it also offers business. Global giant Stripe was still nowhere in the Indian picture. Razorpay has grown to become the clear market leader and has started to expand to the Southeast Asian market. At Razorpay, we want to make further strides into the idea of investing in India's digital future and building an intelligent payment and banking infrastructure for the new world. We are delighted to associate with Salesforce Ventures and Salesforce more broadly in India, said Harshil Mathur, co-founder and chief executive of the. I am certain that this investment, along with support from our existing investors, will help build an ecosystem for a hassle-free, easy-to-integrate payments and banking experience. We also hope to expand, build new products and deliver this experience to businesses in Southeast Asian countries too. Monday's deal is Salesforce Ventures' second investment in the Indian startup ecosystem. The firm led a $15 million Series C financing round in Hyderabad-headquartered Darwin Box earlier this year.